What is going on everybody, tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the new OnePlus 7 Pro against the Xiaomi Mi 9. So both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, they both have 8GB of RAM, a very clean version of Android versus a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 9. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro won by 4 points, and in round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro won by 1 point. As for the price difference, it is about £200 between them. The OnePlus 7 Pro does have a Quad HD display, it has stereo speakers, UFS 3.0, USB 3.1 and a full screen display with the camera pop-up. Having said that, the Mi 9 is an excellent flagship phone and it can be had at a very good price depending on where you buy it from. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Which one of these phones do you have or will you buy? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be camera comparisons and benchmarks with other flagship devices. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.